How to use Google Maps offline. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily use Google Map without internet. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up Google Maps. And before using it offline, you're going to have to be online for a while to save your part of the map. Now, once you have logged in, you can have something called offline maps on Google Maps, which will easily download the area of the map and you can easily explore it when you're offline as well. For that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, then go to offline maps at the bottom. And as you can see here, I've already saved a few offline maps. Now you can select your own map as well. So to add a new map, tap and select your own map at the bottom. Then depending on the size of the map, you can go all the way down to 100 MB, and if you want to cover more area, you can just zoom out and it's going to cover more area for you, which will then increase the size of the map as well. So I'll just do the lowest one. I'll just zoom in and I'll save the city of Berlin just like this. Tap on download, and then it's going to start downloading the map. If you want to rename, tap on the three dots, tap on rename, and you can easily rename the map. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.